Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make delicious, juicy burgers in the Power Smokeless Grill. Our blue light has stopped blinking. That means that our grill is heated up. So we're going to put the burgers on. Put the lid on. I'm going to set a timer for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes, so it's time to flip our burgers. They are looking good, my friend. The little hum you hear is the fan inside the grill. It's been another 4 minutes, so let's test the burgers. We like our burgers lightly pink on the inside. I'm not even sure if this is going to be lightly pink, but unless I cut it all the way open, but the juices ran clear, so we're good to go. If you want yours well done, you might want to leave them on another minute or two. But these are juicy, delicious burgers on a grill inside. You can't beat it. They are amazing. I'm having a guacamole burger on lettuce instead of a bun to make it gluten-free. And I look forward to lunch. Let's do a taste test. Man, that is incredible. So juicy and tasty. I will tell you at 8 minutes, 4 on each side, it's just not even, it's lightly brown. It's not even pink, but it is amazing. So that's probably going to be the right number for me. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.